Hey, this is Gabe from The Village Folk, your source for traditional folk music from around the world. Tunes, lessons, and tutorials from traditions like bluegrass, Irish, Eastern European, and more. For weekly updates and lessons, subscribe and tap the bell for notifications. This is Lesson 3 in the Flatpicking series. Last week we explored mostly G major pentatonic. This week we'll be exploring the diatonic scales, G major, and a little bit more C major. C major is typically not used as much as some other scales such as G or D. However, playing in C with the capo on the 2nd fret is a great way of being able to play in D without having to go into higher positions. To start off, let's review the G major pentatonic scale. 1, 2, 3, 4. The pentatonic scale has 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and back to 1. The diatonic scale adds the 4 and the 7, which in this case are C and F sharp. So let's slow it down a little bit and go to the G major diatonic scale. 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. A tune like Cripple Creek is almost all pentatonic except for a C that happens in the first section. Start this tune by playing all downstrokes and let the note resonate as long as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go over just a couple quick exercises in the key of G, using the G major scale. 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play Cripple Creek just a little bit faster, 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. There aren't a huge number of tunes in Irish and bluegrass traditions in the key of C. However, a lot of players will use the capo on the 2nd fret and play in the C major position to play in D. Let's go over the C major scale with the capo on the 2nd fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to look at the A section of two different fiddle tunes. One is Billy in the Lowground, which is typically played in C, and the other is St. Anne's, which is usually in D. For both these tunes, there's a lot of eighth notes in a row, so we need to go back to our down-up picking. When we play quarter notes, we're going to use a downstroke. When we have a run of eighth notes, we'll be playing down-up, down-up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. We will be playing St. Anne's at 60 beats per minute, but I'm going to count eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. Let's go back to no capo. We'll play Billy in the low ground, just the first half. Again, there are a lot of eighth note runs in this, so we'll count in eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope that gives you a pretty good idea on G major and C major, and how we can use them in traditions like bluegrass. As always, links to scales and exercises and tunes can be found down in the doobly-doo. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe for weekly updates and lessons and hit the bell for notifications.